Hello students, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to form and solve linear equations. This would work for both SAT and ACT math. So let's begin. The most important skill in linear equations is to translate a word problem into an equation, and from there to work on the problem. So here we have the monthly membership fee for an online television and movie service is $9.8. The cost of viewing television shows online is included in the membership fee, but there is an additional fee of $1.5 to rent each movie online. For 1 month, Jill's membership and movie rental fees were $12.8. How many movies did Jill rent online that month? So let's say that the number of movies that Jill rented, let's say that this number is X. Then there is a fee of $1.5 per movie rented. So the fee for X movies rented would be 1.5X, because for one movie, the fee is $1.5. So for X movies, it would be 1.5X, right? And there is a fixed fee. There is a fixed fee of $9.8. So 1.5x plus $9.8 should be the total fee for the month. And that total fee is 12.8. So 1.5x plus 9.8 is equal to 12.8. This is the linear equation that I get when I translate this word problem into an equation. So now 1.5x becomes 12.8 minus 9.8, which is 3. So x becomes 3 divided by 1.5, which is 2. So the number of movies that Jill rented is 2, option B. Okay, let's do a sample problem now. A sum of rupees 2,700 is to be given in the form of 63 prices. If the price is of either rupees 100 or rupees 25, what is the number of rupees 100 prices? So this question expects us to translate this information into two simultaneous linear equations in two variables, right? So here we would have a system of simultaneous linear equations. Let's say the number of 100 rupee prizes, let's say the number of 100 rupee prizes is X, and the number of 25 rupee prizes, let's say that number is Y. So the number of 100 rupee prizes is X, and the number of 25 rupee prizes is Y. And there are a total of 63 prizes. So X plus Y should be 63. That's my first equation. Now, what is the value of X 100 rupee prizes? If there are X prizes of 100 rupees, the value of those X prizes would be 100X. And if there are Y 25 rupee prizes, then the value of those Y prizes would be 25Y. And the total value of all prizes would then be 100X plus 25Y. And that total value has to be 2,700, since we have a total sum of 2,700 to distribute. So this becomes my second linear equation. And so now I have two simultaneous equations in variables X and Y. How can I solve them? I can multiply this equation by 25, and that would help me get 25y. So then I could subtract the two equations and solve from there. So when I multiply this by 25, I get 25x plus 25y is 25 into 63, which is 25 3s are 75, carry 7. 25 6s are 150, 157, 1575, right? And now if I subtract the second equation from the first, then the 25y and the 25y cancel. I get 75x on the left-hand side, 100 minus 25. And on the right-hand side, I get 2700 minus 1575, which is 521, right? Is that, yeah, one more one. Yeah. So 1125. I get 1125. So x would be 1125 divided by 75. So 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are, so that's 15. So the number of 100 rupee prizes is 15. And that is what they had asked us. So we don't even have to find y. We can find y by plugging in the value of x in any of these equations. For example, actually, let's just find it. X plus y was 63. So y is 63 minus 15, which is 8 and 48. So the number of 25 rupee prizes is 48. So the question was asking me the number of 100 rupee prizes, and that's 15, option A. Okay. Okay, let's do one more. When a bucket is half full, the weight of the bucket and the water is 10 kg. When the bucket is 2/3 full, the total weight is 11 kgs. What is the total weight in kilograms when the bucket is completely full? So pause the video at this stage and try this question on your own. When you have an answer, unpause and check if you got it right. So I have a bucket, right? And that bucket is half full. And the weight of the bucket in the water is 10 kgs. And then I have the same bucket, which is 2/3 full. The total weight is 11 kgs. So then if I had to fill my bucket completely, what will be the total weight? This is the question. So how can I choose my variables? Let me choose the empty bucket weight, as x, and let me choose the weight of water when bucket is full as y, right? So when the bucket is full, the weight of water inside is taken as y, and the weight of the empty bucket is taken as x. So we basically have to find x plus y. That's what the question has asked us. Now we know that when the bucket is half full, the weight is 10, which means the weight of the empty bucket plus half the weight of the water is 10. That's one equation. And when the bucket is 2/3 full, the weight is 11, which means the weight of the empty bucket plus 2/3 the weight of the full water, that is 11. That's my second equation. So now it's pretty simple. If I subtract the first from the second, I can get the value of y. So what is 2 by 3y minus y by 2? That's going to be 1, right? Because the x terms will cancel, and 11 minus 10 is 1. So 4y minus 3y is 1. So y by 6 is 1. So y is 6. So the weight of the water when the bucket is full is 6 kgs. We have y. What is x? We can use equation 1. X plus y by 2. 6 by 2 is 3, is 10. So x is 7. The weight of the empty bucket is 7. So what is the total weight of the bucket and the water when the bucket is full? It's x plus y, 7 plus 6, 13, option D. So that's how you can convert a situation into a linear equation, either a linear equation in one variable or a system of simultaneous linear equations, and solve from there. Hope this exercise was useful. If it was, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what other videos you'd like me to upload. I'll see you in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.